Stitch Fix Day is always a good day. So if you want to see what I got in my May Stitch Fix, keep watching. Hey divas, welcome to my channel, Dress Like You Mean It, where I do unboxings and clothing try-ons and shopping hauls and this and that. If you like those kinds of videos, I hope you'll subscribe and hit the notification bell so that you don't miss out on any of my fun fashion adventures. Now I know what you're thinking. You're thinking, Andrea, didn't you just get a Stitch Fix a couple weeks ago? And the answer is yes, I did get a Stitch Fix a couple weeks ago because after my April fix, they asked me if I wanted a quick fix. And I am seriously considering changing my frequency from once a month to once every 2 to 3 weeks. Why not? I have the Style Pass. So Stitch Fix, if you're new to Stitch Fix, is a styling service. You can do a subscription where you get it quarterly, once a month, every 2 to 3 weeks, or you can do them on demand. You get 5 pieces. The styling fee is $20. If they offer you a Style Pass, so if you pay by the box of the $20, if you purchase anything, they'll take the $20 off of whatever you purchase. If you purchase nothing, then you are out $20. If they offer you their shoes. If they offer you a Style Pass, it's $49 for the year. They will deduct that from anything you purchase, and then you have no charge for any of your boxes for the whole year. They do returns through the post office. You get an envelope with your Oh Hello card, which has a note from your stylist, and it has some style suggestions for the pieces that they send you, and then the price list, which I'm not going to look at yet. The only thing I like to do is take a peek and make sure that Cynthia is still styling me. It says Cynthia. Hopefully they just missed the A, because I don't want a new stylist. I like Cynthia. Okay, so here's the bundle. And let's see, we've got some white denim and looks like a white jean jacket, which I asked her for, so I'm super stoked that she responded to that. I'm not sure what this is. It's blue, it's got some flowers on it, and then something purple. And then shoes. All right, and then they're really pushing this shop by category. So now they have it used to be shop your looks, and you could go in and they'd have, outfits for you, and you could purchase each item of the outfit. Now you can go in and they have it by category: tops, dresses, pants, shoes. And they send their shoes in these really nice zippered bags. Oh wow! Oh, these are super cute. So they are a slingback flat in this beautiful blue color, and then it's got like that gathering in the front. So those are really pretty. Who are they made by? Market and Spruce. All right, so I'm excited to try those on. I am a high heel loving girl. I just don't have the opportunity to wear a lot of heels, so I am trying to expand my flats. And I do have a new pair of flats to show you when I show you my outfit of the day. All right, so excited to try those on. Cynthia has been my stylist from the start, and she does a fantastic job. Last time I was very close to keeping everything. All right, there's something sticking to me. This purple is it's a pullover, zip pullover, no hoodie, so that's a plus. It's got a rounded hem in the back. It's got it's got zippered pockets. You can see there, zippered pockets. Long sleeve with but this is an interesting detail. It's a kind of an angled seam there for the cuff. So that's nice. And it is a turtleneck, and I don't do a lot of turtlenecks. Super soft, very, very soft. Let's see what it's made of. And so this is really nice. Instead of a tag, it's printed, so that's really nice. It's 94% polyester, 6% spandex, 83% of the polyester is recycled. I wish I knew what they meant when they said that it was recycled polyester. So we'll try that on. All right, up next is, it's a dress. Yep. It is looks like a maxi dress. So it's a big print, looks like hibiscus, it's black. I don't usually do big prints, but this is very nice. It's by Loveappella. It's got that crossed neckline, and it's got some kind of crochet detail and little flutter sleeves. So I'm excited to try that on. That's very pretty. I did say I'm going on vacation in a couple weeks, and I did say that I wanted some dresses, so she filled the bill. And then next up is a Liverpool white denim jacket and silver buttons. Very nice, extra small. So got good stretch. So I'm excited to try that on. And then we got some shorts. Democracy size 4 Absolution. They are cuffed. That's a pretty long inseam. I don't usually wear shorts that long, so we'll have to see if I can cuff them up some more. If I really love them and they're a decent price, I can always hem them because I do so. So they've got some good stretch. All right, this is gonna be a good try on. Let me show you my outfit of the day. Okay. So one other thing I want to tell you about. So you see my earrings? Aren't they pretty? It's like a hammered silver. And these are earrings by Etta Jane Jewelry. And I have shown you something from them before. And I've gotten, I went to a party last week. A neighbor is friends of theirs. Etta Jane is a business, is a woman-owned business by two moms who design and have the jewelry made, and I just want to promote them because they started their business right before COVID hit, so it's been hard, you know. Not a lot of people were buying a whole lot of jewelry when they were staying at home. And these women just make the most beautiful jewelry. It's gold, silver. I got a pearl bracelet that I will show you. And I hope you'll check them out. This is not sponsored. I don't have any coupon codes or anything. I just, you know, when I talked to them last week at that party, I just was so impressed by their product. It's really well made, beautiful jewelry. And it's, you know, it's very small, just these two moms, their business. So I hope you'll check them out. I'll put the link in the description below. All right, let's check out this outfit of the day. This is the maxi dress, and can I just say that Cynthia is amazing, amazing. So I don't usually like big floral prints, but it works on this. So I have flat sandals on, and it just goes right to the top of my feet, actually a little above. So it's really perfect for that. I'll have to see how it looks with a pair of heels, but I mean this, and it crisscrosses in the front, little fluttery sleeves, little crochet detail on the side, turn around. So this is the kind of dress that I could wear running errands. I could wear it out to dinner. I could wear it for brunch. It is just, it's going to be such a perfect addition to my summer wardrobe. And she's just amazing. She gets it right so many times. So this is a yes. Okay, well, let's try on some more stuff. I feel like if I hung out at the beach and it was a cool evening, this might be a good outfit, but the shorts are kind of baggy. I guess I have to go down on my size again, but they are way longer than what I wear. I just don't wear shorts this long. So the shirt is, you know, it's nice, it's comfortable. It's got, I didn't realize it, but it has thumb holes. Got the, I can zip it up, which I don't don't like stuff like that. It's really soft, kind of a rounded hem in the back. That's what the shorts look like in the back. That's what the shorts look like in the front. I don't wear shorts this long. That's just not me. And when I showed my daughter, she looked at me and she went, eh. She goes, you just don't wear athleisure. So, which is true. I don't. It's really soft though. I don't know. I guess I'll see how much it is. I don't know. What do you think? I guess it's just the fact that I just don't wear this kind of stuff, It's also a little baggy, but I guess if I was just going to wear something comfy, cozy at home, baggy would be okay. Alright, let me try on this jacket. I'm not sure that this is the best shirt to try on. In fact, I'm not. So hold on, I'm going to change my shirt. So we've got the last two items. We've got the white denim jacket by Liverpool and the shoes. The shoes, what my foot sits on, what do you call that, the sole? I don't know, but that's really comfortable, it's cushy. But there are parts of it that rub on my feet and it presses on my big toe. So these are going to be a no because they're just not comfortable enough. I mean, they're cute flat, but if I'm going to wear flats, they're going to have to be comfortable. Heels don't have to be comfortable. Flats have to be comfortable. So the jacket, this is an extra small, and I feel like it looks big. I don't know if it's the material because it's like super stretchy. The arms are a bit long, and I don't feel like it looks that good. I don't feel like it's coming across great on the camera because of the lighting. But yeah, it's going to be expensive because it is Liverpool, so I think the jacket is going to be a no. Let's do a recap and pricing. So before I do the pricing, I do want to remind you that if you haven't tried Stitch Fix and you would like to, I will leave a link below and you will get a $25 credit, at least $25. I have also had some offers for $50 and $100 credits. If it's $25, it basically makes it risk-free to you because I think the styling fee is $20. So even if you didn't like anything, you're not going to be out any money. And if you like something, you'd get $25 off of whatever it is you chose. So definitely use a link if you try Stitch Fix. Okay, let's see. My cat is standing outside the door. She's being quiet right now. We'll see how long it takes her to start meowing. Hi Andrea, happy Fix Day. How are you? I'm thrilled to style you again today, and I'm so happy to see you enjoyed some of the pieces in your last fix. You left some great requests for this fix, and I can't wait to see what you think of the 5 items I picked. I started with a casual knit maxi dress by Loveappella that you can dress up or down, pair it with the Liverpool white denim jacket, and mark it in spruce flats for a casual Saturday look. I sized the denim jacket down to an extra small based on past feedback. What do you think? The jacket will also nicely play down the floral print in the dress. The light blue flats will make for easy spring wear, and I picked these in place of the black quilted flats that I was unable to find. I had requested black quilted ballet flats. I hope you've enjoyed this fix and found some great new pieces to love. I can't wait to see what you think. Best, Cynthia. Okay, I let Lucy in. We'll see if she starts banging on the camera again. Okay, so first on the price list is the Market in Spruce Active Rema half zip something. Nope, that's not for you. Leave that alone. Leave it alone. Stop. I'll show you what's in there in a minute. So it's really soft. It's not something that I think I would wear. It's just not the style of clothes that I wear. I do love how soft it is, but it's $58. And I just don't think I would get enough wear out of it. So that is probably going to go back. You want to say hi, Lucy? Say hi. Say hi to the people out there. All right. So the Liverpool Kolten Denim Jacket, white, extra small. And when I compared it next to the shorts, it's got a lot of yellow. It's a white that's kind of yellow. It doesn't look like it by itself, but when you put it next to the shorts, it does. This is $88, and I was not happy enough with the fit to keep it. So I am still on the hunt for the perfect white denim jacket. I did get a really cute pink denim jacket from Macy's. Next up are the Market in Spruce Tala flat in light blue, size 7, $59. These are really cute, but they pressed on my big toe, and so we're not comfortable because of that. So those are going back. The Democracy Illiana cuffed denim short in size 4 are $64. If these had been shorter, I probably would have sized down, but I don't wear my shorts that long. Maybe I should now that I'm 60, but I don't. So they're nice. Otherwise, they were too big though. So between that and just being too long for me, for my style, those are going back. Which brings us to the Loveappella Tori knit maxi dress. This surprised me because I loved it. Even though it's a big floral print, I just loved it. It is $78. This is going in my closet. Cynthia, this was an awesome pick. I'm glad that you went ahead and sent it, even though I don't tend to like big florals, because this is just comfortable and beautiful, and it's going to be a great addition to my closet. Okay, so the stylist pick for everything is $347. If I bought all 5 pieces, there would be an $86.75 credit, which I'm not going to, which would bring the subtotal to $260.25. But I am just going to keep the Loveappella dress, and these were great picks. The only one that was that purple shirt, just because it's not really my style. But everything else I think was a great fit. A great pick. It just wasn't a great fit. Okay, I'm just inserting this somewhere in before I actually filmed it because I forgot. I told you about Etta Jane. I wanted to show you some of the jewelry that I got. And I also wanted to show you just how beautifully it's presented. So they have the bags, it's got a little tag on there, they have my name on it, it's got some tissue paper, and these earrings were the ones I was wearing earlier, and it comes in this really cute little, it looks like a bag, and then you pull out, and there are the earrings right there. A little crisscross, but so that was one presentation. And then this is the bracelet. Again, that cute little bag, and then you pull it out, and this is the pearl bracelet that I got. So it's 3 strands of pink and purplish and white freshwater pearls. So I love that. I love pearls. And then the last thing, I'm actually wearing these earrings. And they came in this box and then in there. So it's they just do such a nice job, and they ship anywhere. They're a local business, but they do ship anywhere. So please check them out. EttaJane.com. Is it Etta Jane, or I will put the link below. I do hope that you'll check them out. So if you enjoyed this video, please give me a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell. And if you want to try Stitch Fix, please use my link because I would love it. All right, until next time, Divas, dress like you mean it.